Hello everyone, this is devlog day 3 of algozero. Um, this is just going to be a brief video of what we've accomplished so far since the last two videos, what we want to add, possible bug fixes, and um, just overview of what we've done. So obviously the landing page looks way different now. My partner Robert, he was working a lot on the front end. Um, Overall, he got us a new logo. We have a full black background, just giving it the simplistic look. Login screen is of course very different, and we have a Google sign-in that is fully functional now. Um, Obviously, you don't have to sign in still. You could still just go to study and everything. So let me just sign in though real quick. But first, I should probably show you that this works. You would have to sign in with your Google. I don't have any accounts listed because I'm on a private browser mode because I didn't want to show all my Google accounts. So if you could sign in with Google and proceed how you would with any other site, and it's your data will be protected. Um, so let me just sign in, and um, I'll give the I'll pass the mic to Robert real quick just so he could talk about what he did real quick.
All right. Also, Anlil brought up a good point about data being protected. We do hash all our passwords in the database, so your passwords aren't just saved directly in the database. But yeah, so as you cited, full front end redesign. I also basically tried to implement every single feature that was shown but not implemented. So verified questions work as intended. That's going to be 10 upvotes, 10 net upvotes. So if there's 12 upvotes and 2 downvotes, that would be 10 net upvotes, and that would make a question verified. You can also search by verified, and just a bunch of user bugs that I fixed and just make it feel more flowy and everything else. I added views to questions. I Me and Alno both worked on adding code snippets to questions. And yeah, that's about
Yep.
all
So
I worked on. Also, yep.
let me walk down with what you've done. Let me make an example question. So here's the question
Oh,
tabs, of course. This is admin
yeah,
view as well, so it might look different with the delete verify.
I removed the question addition from the admin view, so you would have to use the voucher system.
Yeah. But I just want to show them like what the questions look like.
Okay.
So if I go to the home page, we have a plus icon. We can make questions, and I'll talk about the code snippet in a bit, but make it multiple choice. And then code snippet. As you can see, the preview of the code snippet now shows as well. We have a functional code snippet, which we want to enhance more algorithm questions. We want to add more algorithm-based questions to this just for study purposes, make it look neat and all that. And we have functional tabs as well that Robert was talking about. So I'm just making up random stuff. We're going to create a question which costs a voucher. Um, and now this question is right here on the home page. And as you can see, we could expand it. We could see the question and,
Oh, that's not the question you mean.
oh,
It's because it's unverified. You have the verified check mark on. So you click on the
oh,
top.
sorry. I forgot.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that was a good example with the verified thing though.
yeah,
Since this was not verified, it didn't pop up in this, but these are all the verified questions. But unverified, well, we could see that it works now, and obviously fully functional. So, Robert, you want to take back the mic?
yeah. So it also looks a bit different when you click the
Yeah, let's click this.
question. So I mean, I don't know if we showed this in the last video, but Onno basically made it so you could click each question, and
Yep,
just to make it better, so you can just send it to people like specific questions you want them to add.
yep.
Um, but yeah, that's about all we added.
You can see the
Um,
reputation earned. You get 2 points for upvoting. If your question is upvoted, you get reputation points. And
yep.
you need these points to make questions as well. That's important. You need to
Yeah.
interact with these questions. Our website will be very interactive. You need you can't just like be ghost on it, you know.
Yeah, the
But
vouchers also help with spam. because so people
Yep.
just can't spam questions. We can also delete questions on our admin
We could see
side.
the views as well right here that Robert was
Yeah,
talking about
yep,
earlier. Very functional because I clicked this two times technically and it two views.
yep. And I think it'll just look good once you have a lot of people, and then you can see like, oh, this
Yeah,
question has 10,000 views. People probably want used it a lot.
right.
Um, but yeah, in terms of things we're gonna add, uh, definitely a problem sets, similar to something you'd see on Quizlet, where instead of just having you answer one question, in the study mode, for example, you would answer like various problem sets that users will create, and these would also use the vouchers that questions use. This will just make it easier to like kind of standardize, like, okay, I want to study CSS, but I don't want to go through like 100 questions just to find three CSS questions. So I'm gonna go
hmm
to the problem sets and only answer the CSS problem set. So yeah.
I do want to add to that as well. With the study sets. We're trying to also make a search. It's possible in the talks that I want to make a search engine as well on this website where you could search certain users and things like that and pull up their sets. But yeah, that was just in the talks. But something else that I do want to work on is fixing the mobile interface on this website because it looks absolutely chopped on the mobile device. It looks horrible. The logo is all scattered everywhere, so we got to go back, fix it, make it more compatible with other devices other than just our desktop, of course, which is widescreen. Um, we got to make sure it's compatible on the iPad, the phone, everything. Um, yeah, that's mainly the fixes we do want to look into. Um, yeah, you got anything else to say?
Oh, that's it.
That's really it. That's all we did. We did quite a lot. Robert did quite a lot on the front end, as you can see. It's very simplistic, and right now we're debating between keeping the simplistic vibe or adding more transitions, just making it more futuristic-y, kind of. Um, we'll see what's in store for us, but I do like the simplistic vibe. Robert likes it too. He wanted to go with it. Also, we did get our domain officially, but um, yeah, that's all the day three video. Also, I think something we can improve is documenting more on the actual Google Docs we have because we document on a doc sheet. Um, I think mm, I think me and Robert could work on actually adding more documentation there. But yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Yep.
Leave a like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to share this with your grandparents, parents,
Oh
teachers,
my gosh.
professors, kids, everyone. Any last words, Robert?
No.
All right, see you.